Once upon a time, a rabbit and a tortoise raced against each other. It wasn't really surprising that the tortoise fell behind the moment the race began. However, the rabbit was overconfident and arrogant. Not only did he believe in his own ability, he also knew that the tortoise was no competition. He thought he could afford to become complacent about winning this race. So he chose to lie down behind a tree and soon fell asleep. Of course, the tortoise got the opportunity to prove the rabbit wrong. But you see, the tortoise had read a story when he was in school. It was about a rabbit who lost a race against a tortoise because he didn't take his competitor seriously. So the tortoise thought he could afford to rest his eyes for a few minutes because he was absolutely sure that the rabbit was fast asleep. He felt certain that he was doing the right thing. He thought, by the time the rabbit wakes, I will have won the race. Unfortunately, he quickly fell into a sound sleep. On the other hand, the rabbit had a dream that the tortoise had won the race while he was asleep. He woke up with a headache and ran as fast as he could. When he approached the finishing line, he saw the trophy there. He couldn't find the tortoise though, so he took the trophy and went home. The tortoise woke after midnight. He obviously knew the race was over. He realized the tortoise in that story didn't win because he was sincere. He won because he chose to be sincere. He had made a choice. He was slow, but he chose to finish the race. He obviously was lucky that the rabbit was asleep, but he did not know that. On the other hand, the tortoise in our story also made a choice, and we know what happened afterwards. It's really interesting. No matter what kind of talent you possess, it's the choices that make us who we are. I hope you liked this story. If you liked this story, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want more stories, more videos like this one, consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, this is RB signing off.